Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to my Trend of the Week video. This week's Trend of the Week is China's back, baby. Oh, two things going on in China. First is that the Chinese government has come out and said, hey, we're going to stimulate the economy because growth is too slow. Well, you can't really imagine the growth is that great when you've got about 350 to 400 million people in pandemic lockdown. So the Chinese government came out and said, hey, we're going to stimulate the economy because we think growth is getting too slow. Okay, that was one plus. Second plus is you had a meeting of the Politburo where they said, yes, we're going to continue our policy of riding strict herd on our big internet companies, but we're going to do it slowly. We're going to stretch out the timelines. The big Chinese internet companies, on those two things, they have soared. Okay, this is Tencent Holdings. This is the big Chinese gaming company, largest gaming company in the world, big entertainment company, lots of e-commerce, and it's up a mere 8.89. This is in the first half of April 29th. It's not the whole day even. It's not a week. It's 1 day's return on this news. Okay, let's look at JD. JD.com is one of the big Alibaba competitors. They're an e-commerce company. They have a different cost structure than Alibaba. They've spent more money on actual physical logistics, built warehousing, and they're up a mere 7.7% today. Alibaba, of course, itself is a beneficiary of this trend. Hey, why wouldn't they be? Anything that makes people believe that the government is going to crack down a little less severely on big internet companies, and Alibaba is the bête noire of the Chinese Communist Party, works for them. So they're up almost 9% today. And here's my favorite. This is Meituan, which is the big food delivery company in China. It's getting a boost because, hey, most of China is locked down, so they're hiring drivers to deliver food to people who can't get out of their apartments. So Meituan is up, as you might notice, almost 15% today. So I think we're looking at a trend that's going to run a while. Certainly the stimulus of the economy will run a while. Chinese government, the pandemic lockdowns will end, but the government is still going to try to goose the economy. The government will indeed for a while back off on regulating these big internet companies. That last is not a long-term trend. The government is talking about taking equity positions in a lot of these companies. The Chinese Communist Party is not going away in terms of trying to make sure that these companies are within their embrace. So over the long term, that's still a problem. But in the short term, next month, 2 months, 3 months, I think both these trends work in favor of these large internet stocks. Thanks for watching. This has been Jim Jubak. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification of when I'm doing the next one. If you want more of my stuff, you can go to my free site, jubakpicks.com. There are 3 portfolios on that, including one with Tencent in it and Alibaba. If you want 6 portfolios instead of just 3, you can go to my paid site, jubakam.com. Links to those all down below. Thanks very much for watching.